Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to change column height in Google Sheets. Let's begin. First of all, open your Google spreadsheet and drag, select column, select hold shift automatically and select all column or randomly select hold control, select random select. Okay. Then right click on your mouse, resize column. Click here and fit to data or enter new column width in pixels. Example is default 100 pixels. Then click OK. And now we can see this change column height. Again 25. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.